So my today's topic of seminar is screenless display. So we will look upon the introduction of screenless display. So screenless display is a very amazing word. It has the screens without display. Like imagine this is my mobile phone, but it has a screen. But in screenless display, it doesn't have any screen. It will be transparent. So all the topics we have covered in this seminar. So move forward to our content of this seminar topic. So what are the contents? The overview of the screenless display, working of the screenless display, the types of screenless display, application, advantages, disadvantages, its future prospects, and what is the conclusion of this seminar. So taking over the overview of the screenless display. So what is screenless display? First of all, we will look forward the definition of the screenless display. So first of all, imagine screenless display technology. It consists of image that project directly image on your retina, and also consider that you are seeing the images in the environment. Like if this mobile phone I consider this is present in the environment, but you will be able to like 2D portion. But in the screenless display, you will be able to like you are able to view the 3D portion of the mobile or anything object will be present in the air. Okay. Now, what is the difference from this traditional display and the screenless display? Okay, the traditional display consists of a lot of components like battery or other components. But in the screenless display, the benefit is that it will be very thin and portable to all. And what are these examples? These examples like virtual retinal display is one of these examples. Hologram display, like some images you have seen in the holograms retinal display, which directly projects the image on your retina. And this one of examples like Microsoft HoloLens they proposed it in 2015. So we are looking one example of the screenless display, that is retinal display, how it works. So consider there is a video or any image. So the drive electronics process the image or any video into the photons. Photons mean any lights. Okay. So the lights get transferred to the beam scanning. It scans the beam like in which direction they have to transfer, like in left, right, or upward, or downward in that direction. Like then after the intensity modulation, the intensity modulation is used for making the intensity of the resolution. Like at what resolution you want the images. Like we want images at very in the most highest and prospect resolution. Like, and after that it's scanning, the image goes to the retina of the human, and the human is able to see the image. And the another example of screenless display is holographic display. The first diagram consists of object, and the other is working, how it works. Objects are like lasers, screens, mirrors, lenses, and holographic film some objects. And how it works. First of all, consider the laser. The laser strikes from the splitting screen, then it diverges into two types. Like first goes toward the mirror, after reflecting from mirror, it goes to the lenses. After lenses, it goes on the holographic film. After that, the first ray which is splitted, which goes on the lenses to mirror, and after reflecting to the mirror, it goes and strikes on the object. After that, the object is reflected on the holographic film. These two interference creates one object. It's called as 3D image. That's the holographic display. So what are the types of display? First of all, we will look upon retinal display and holographic display. Now, next example are fog-based display and laser plasma display. So what are fog-based display? Like consider vapor, vapors also one of example like fog, and like consider the mist air. When we strike the laser on the fog, it will create some 3D images. So this is one of the example of fog-based display. Another is the laser plasma display. You know that plasma is the fourth state of the matter, and it consists of molecules that consist of equal number of positively ions and electrons. So after that, whenever we apply a laser on that plasma, it will create a 3D images. So what is application of screenless display? Its application like in healthcare, education sector, and automotive sector, and also in military. So one of the fascinating things is used in military. How? But whenever there is a situation like war, so our soldiers want to prepare like in war-like situation. So this screenless display provides a situation where the soldiers can perform training in the war-like situation. And other in automotive, whenever you look like whenever you have to take a turn to the right or left, there is an image like a curve you will give on the screenless display. So if there is a screen like this, so you will not able to see what apart from the screenless display. It will show only